of 10 is Buddhist community, and the meaning of Chi is all for all Buddhist communities celebrate. This festival began before 400 years, and it is believed that the Tapche Stupa, which is in the Chode monastery of Mangbang, was built at the same time. Tiji festival, which began as a festival of solving their problems or wishing good luck for the next generation, is now celebrated for 3 days. The main priest, called Lebon, is just selected for 3 days. The main priest, called Lebon, is just selected to celebrate the festival, who needs to meditate for 3 months in cave. The festival begins with making Bajra wheel, doing religious rituals to invite God, preparing for worship and dance of priests, also known as lamas. On this second day, people dance putting the mask of various animals and chase away the evils. On the third day, for termination of FOMO prepared just before the festival began, the procession including the king goes out of the wall, and right at the time of termination, gun is fired as a victory above Satan's. In Upper Mustang, above than Lomangthang, nomad custom, or the custom of spending life making tents from the material they knitted themselves instead of the house, and looking after the cattle in the hills can be seen. Mustang is an area preserved by Annapurna Area Conservation Project. In this area, good system has been arranged by Preservation Project to see rare preserved animals and their activities. Madhu Chetri, who is working in His Majesty's Mahendra Nature Treasury and Annapurna Area Conservation Project, says in this way about Mustang and this area.
ब्राउन बियर जुन चाहिँ एकदम दुर्लभ छ र फ्यामु छ एकदम धेरै पाइन्छ खरायो भन्छ हामी अहिले हामी 42 को चान्चुनमा छौं र हाम्रो एक्सपेरिमेन्टल प्लट भएको चाहिँ 4500 मिटरमा छ घाँसको यहाँ एकदम समस्या छ अनि यो वर्ष पनि थुप्रै याक चाहिँ मरिरहेको छ अनि यो कसरी सुधार गर्न सकिन्छ भनेर हामीले यसैमा लागेर चाहिँ अहिले पनि त्यही
Jacket. भन्थे सन्तान घर भरि ए हाम्रा पालामा सुनो माया दुईटा सन्तान वरदान भन्छन् छोरा छोरी जे भए नि मान्छन् बराबरी आजका पालामा मोहर पतिनु न हाम्रा पालामा नुना भयो सुन
After the short visit of Mustang, we are trying to include briefly about traditional and ancient importance of Mustang. The blessing of nature. Mustang Study Center, not only about mountainous tourism, Himalayan people and culture, and its ancient importance, but also about mountainous animals and various remains.